Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open an existing database in Microsoft Access. This is a fundamental skill that lets you access and work with databases you've previously created or received from colleagues, making it easy to pick up where you left off or collaborate on shared projects. First things first, you'll need to launch Microsoft Access on your computer. Go ahead and open the app and let it load completely. Depending on your system and the size of any default settings, this might take just a moment or two, so be patient while the software initializes and prepares your workspace. Once Microsoft Access is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top portion of your screen. You'll see several tabs in the ribbon interface, and the one we need is labeled File. Click on the File tab to proceed. This action will open a backstage view where you can manage various file operations, including creating new databases, saving work, and most importantly for our purpose today, opening existing files. After clicking File, a menu will appear on the left side of your screen with several options. Look through these options carefully until you locate the one that says Open. Click on Open to continue. This is the gateway to accessing all your previously saved database files, whether they're stored locally on your computer or in other accessible locations. Now you'll see a screen that displays recent database files under a tab labeled Recent. Microsoft Access keeps track of the databases you've worked with recently, making it convenient to reopen them without having to search through your entire file system. Take a look at this list and see if the database you want to open appears here. If you spot it, simply click on it and Access will load that database immediately. However, if the file you're looking for isn't visible in the Recent Files list, don't worry. Just below the Recent Files section, you'll find an option called Browse. Click on Browse to proceed. This will open a File Explorer window that allows you to navigate through your computer's directory structure to locate the database file manually. In the File Explorer window, navigate through your folders to find where you've saved your database file. Access database files typically have the extension .accdb or .mdb, so keep an eye out for those file types as you browse. Once you've located the correct file, click on it once to select it. You'll notice the file name appears highlighted, confirming your selection. Finally, look for the Open button at the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window and click on it. Access will now load your existing database, and within moments you'll see all your tables, queries, forms, and reports ready for you to work with. And there you have it. You've successfully opened an existing database in Microsoft Access and can now continue working with your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.